Hello everyone, I am Chitra Singh and in this fifth video I am going to write the code for the calendar app. Let's start to write the code for the application calendar. Import the sys module, time module and Tkinter module that require for the application calendar to develop it. Now take the variable root and initialize the Tkinter module. Take the application title name calendar. Take the icon name. I am taking the same name as the title name for the application. Now set the size of the application. It will help to freeze the size of the application. I am taking value 570 and 680. Now taking the application image. This code of line help to choose the default frame border. If you put the 0, then it will display the border, otherwise it will not display the border if you put the value 1. Now close the frame. Scroll down it. Now take the functions. This is the first function. I am taking the current time and now I am separating by the space. Define the next function for the country name. Here we need the zone name. Zone name must be string, so we are converting it in the string. Now split this string by the space. It will return the specific index that we require for the country name. Now define the next function for the date number. Split again by the space and take the specific index for the date number. Define the next function month name. Again take the current time and split by the space and take the specific index. Next function is week's name. We are taking the week choices. For it I am taking here dictionary. This dictionary will help to display the full name of the week's name because it has the item and values. You can see that these items have the short name and the value have the full name that we require to display in our application. Now take the current time and split it by the space and pick up the specific index. When you put that specific index over in this weak choices, then it will read that item value and that value will display on the application. Now take the next function greet. It will display the messages as per the time. If it is the morning time, then it will greet the good morning and afternoon, so on, like that. Now I am converting that string into the int by taking the int data type. Now taking these condition, if t1 greater than and equal to 0 and less than 12, then it will display good morning message. Now copy and paste. Change the values of the condition. Take over here 12 and over here 16. 16, 19, 19, t1 less than 2, 24. Fine. Now change the message. 19 to 24, good night time. 16 to 19 time is evening time, and last is afternoon. Okay, fine. Now scroll down. We are taking 3 main frames. First we are taking label frame to display the message as according the time. Close the widget. I am taking expand yes, fill both. Taking the second frame, that is the child frame of the first frame. I took the name of my first frame is F3 and second frame name as F2. Okay, don't be confused. This is the last frame that will help us to declare the fields of the calendar. And now define the label first. That will help to display the name of the application. I am giving the variable name L1 to it. Add the space in the string. Now close this widget. We keep this widget on the row 0 and column 0. Declare the button widget over here. And this button will help to close the application. Now close the widget. This sticky attribute will help to stick the button widget on the top right. Now take the label second. Taking the variable string var. This label will show the country name. I want my application read the country name in uppercase. By this code, it will convert the string in the uppercase. This is the third label, and in this application I am taking 6 labels. 3 labels are left. This is the last level. I am changing this color by coral. Now run the application. Okay, see, it is appearing with the border. Now change the value over here by the 1. Okay, now we do not have the border of the default frame. Now close the application. I want to make some changes in the condition in this function. Copy and paste. I am adding one more condition. It will show the good night, and this will show the good morning. Fine. As per the current time, it is showing the good night. Correct this name. And one more mistake I did before. Over here, correct this one also. Now run the application again. It's running fine.